So when we want to talk about staking out, when you want to stake out, you need to arrange your points in your like your Excel file. You can do that, arrange your points in your Excel file. But here I will show you, this is a file. You can arrange your data like this. You can arrange your data like this. See, point name, nothing, listing, and Z. For this Z, you can put anything there, because usually you are not staking out heights, you are staking out points X and Y. Except you want to stake out points with height, good, then you put the correct height here. But most times if you are doing a layout, we are taking out just X and Y. So these are your point names from beginning to the end, right? Nothing, listing, and Z. Don't forget nothing before listing. You arrange it like this and import. So once you have arranged it like this, and make sure that it is CSV, in CSV format, you are now ready to import it into Survey Master. But first, it's on my system. I need to now send it to my data logger. I can do that in two ways. So this is the first way. I do like this, right click, and I come to more options depending on the Windows version you are using. And I will go to send to Bluetooth. So I would have definitely connected my R50 in the past. I'd have connected my R50. Now just click next. So you can see on my screen now. I'll just say pair, and then the file will come in. Once I pair, the file is sending now. I'm pairing my device both on my laptop and my system. So it has come in now. You can see stake a file. So this file now, I'll go and look for it on my device. I will just go to my files folder and look for where it was saved. So I can do search like this and do stake. I can just come to Bluetooth, or I think downloads. Sometimes it can come to downloads. It's not here. Okay, Bluetooth. This is my Bluetooth folder here, and okay, so I will accept here. So my file has come in now. So since my file has come in, I will just go to my files and look for this file under my Bluetooth folder. This is Bluetooth folder. You can see my files take out here, right? Under my Bluetooth folder, let me go back so that you can understand. Inside R50, I'll come to Bluetooth, and then I have my stake out file here. So I'll just select this file and move to, and I'll come to what? Cyanogenesis. It depends on the version you are using. For most of it is, you come to Cyanogenesis SM and you put it inside data folder, move here, right? Good. So anything you are importing on most Survey Master versions, you put it in your data folder. So now that I've copied it to my data folder of my Cyanogenesis, I will now go back to Survey Master to import it into my project. So this is my Survey Master. So I'll go to project, import. Remember the way we arranged it. Look at the way we arranged it here. Don't forget name, nothing, listing, and Z. Name, nothing, listing, and height. See, that's what I'm going to use here. Name, nothing, listing, and height. That's number 1, 2, 3. The third one. This is the third one. It is asking me for how did I arrange my data. So I arranged it in this format. Name, nothing, listing, and Z. So I'll click next. You can see it's already there. It went directly to the data folder to look for our stakeout file. So I'll just select it and click OK. See, import data succeed. You will get a message there, import data succeed. So My imported data now, I will now go to element to look for it. Look at it, input point. Imported points are under input point. See, 135 points. Can you see? 100 meters is my assumed height. You can see all my points. You can see all my points. So that's how to import points into your survey master. So now this point, why did I import them? I want to stake them out. I have a big layout. So I'll just, for anyone I want to stake out, I'll just click on it, and you can see this thing that looks like a flag here, the green one that I stake out. I'll just click on it, and then it will tell me my distance. It will bring out the compass. You can see the compass here. It will tell me my distance to the point, my south and my east distance, and all you have to do is just to move. You can see your compass here. You can see your compass here. You click on it for it to be bigger, so it will tell you in what direction to move until you get to the point that you have staked out. To tell you what direction to move until you get to the point you have staked out. So this file was just used for this tutorial. What we will do now is to stake out a point that we had before. This control point. Now let's take it out. This one is close to us, and we can take it out so that you can see how this function works. So I'll click on stake out again. You can see now it's telling me this point is 3.87 meters north and 2.467 meters west. Look at the direction. So pay attention. See this circle with somebody inside with that icon there. That's you there. This circle here, that's you there. This flag is the point. So your work is to get to this point, right? You can see nothing is telling you to go this way, and west too is telling you to go this way. So we are going this way. So let's go there. Let's try and get to our point. So I'm with my rover now. My rover is telling I'm being told that I need to move forward 2.3 meters and west, not 2.3, west 0.8. So that's from where I am. It is a movement forward. I'm moving forward. So as I'm moving forward, you can see I'm getting closer to that flag. Remember, the flag is the point. I'm getting closer to the flag. I'll just follow that red mark, and I'll just go straight to the point. When I get to that point, when I'm very close, you should start hearing a sound. You should start hearing a sound which will tell us that we are close to the point. So I'll just try and center my my bubble. You can see, you can hear the sound. It will also turn green when I'm close. Turn green and start making noise. You can see I'm on the point now. You can see. So this is how to stake out a point. So once you are finished taking out this one, for example, you want to measure the point, you just measure. Just click on your measure button. And then you can stake out. You can see at the bottom nearest manually. Yes, so you just take out the next one, and then you move forward. So you can click on this one to reduce the size again. So you can play around it and learn how to use the stake out function better.